Hello friends, this is Mohammed Shakil here from How Engineers Do It, and welcome to the series Practice with Me Sessions, SolidWorks Beginners. Few things before we get started. If you're not in the first video of the series, you would probably miss something useful. Practice with Me sessions are designed in a way to explain tool to the beginners by actually working on the simple projects. Thereby they learn to implement the tool at the same time. It requires zero CAD knowledge if you want to start with these lessons. I will make the drawing file full size in every video beginning so the users can take a screenshot of it and use it while they practice. This series is created following the success and appreciation I received from CAPA videos, so I will try my best to do the same with SolidWorks as well. I request my viewers and subscribers to give the same support I received from CAPA tutorial videos so that we can make this program a huge success. As usual, give thumbs up and comments. Without further ado, let's begin. In this video, we'll work on exercise number 29. To start off, we'll go to File, New, and click on the New Part Template. And as we have the empty part template open, we can start creating the sketch by going to the Sketch tab and clicking on the Sketch tool. And we need to decide which plane that we would like to start the sketch. Doesn't matter. And in this case, I think I would be comfortable to select the top plane as a plane that I can start the sketch with. So I will basically start the sketch of this particular portion, or maybe on this particular portion first. So let's start by giving a rectangle of 64. And this one is 75, and I'll give a height of how much? That'll be 20 plus 16 plus radius of this 20 plus 16 plus 16. So exit the sketch and give extrude boss and base of 20 plus 16 plus 16, 52. Okay, now we can give this particular chamfer. So I'll just come at this face, click on the sketch, and I'll create a rectangle here. And let's just do a smart dimension of 40, and 64, that'll be 24, that'll be 12 on both sides. Oops. 12 on both sides. As we can see, the sketch is fully constrained. Exit the sketch and go for extrude, not extrude boss and base. It should be extruded cut, and that'll be up to next. Click on the tick mark, and we have it there. And now we'll just select 4 edges here. Oops. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 edges, and we can go for the fillet, and the fillet of 16, right? 16, double enter. Now we have this face here. We need to create these 2 holes, so we'll just select this face, click on the sketch, and we'll just randomly, or instead of doing randomly, we can just create a center line first and just insert 2 circles and dimension the circles. So the dimension of the circle will be how much? 3 holes. You can see 3 holes here, so we are assuming that the dimension will remain the same. That will be diameter 16, and the location of the circle, that will be from this 2 hole is at a distance of 44, and this will remain the same, right? 16. And now this circle is located at a distance of how much? If this is 44 and the overall length is how much? 75. So 75 minus 44 will be 21. So that'll be 21 by 5. Oops. something wrong. That'll be 21 by 2, right? 21 by 2. Yeah. Okay, so there's something wrong with the math here. So the circles are at a distance of 44. So I think I have to find that 44 here. And the overall length is 75, right? So overall length here is 75. Oops. Overall length is 75 here. So 44 is the circle distance, so that will be 75 minus 44 will be 1. Okay, sorry, it's 31, so that'll be 31 by 2. So now we have the math correct. Now we can see that the sketch is fully constrained, as we can see the black colored sketch here. Exit the sketch here and go for extrude cut and go for up to next. Double enter will confirm that. And we can create this elongated hole by clicking on this particular face here. So we can select this face and go for the sketch. And now we can create 2 circles, 1 and 2, and dimension those circles. Circle will be of radius 6, so diameter 12. Diameter 12, and the circle will be concentric to this. So let's just put that concentricity here. Alright, now we can create a line from this point to this point, and similarly you can create another line from here to here, and use a trim command and trim this. Select these 2 lines and go for tangent, and these 2 lines here, line and the arc, go for tangent. Click on the tick mark and you can see the sketch is fully constrained. Exit the sketch now and zoom out a little bit and go for extrude cut. You can go for through all in this case. If you're selecting through next, then up to next only this particular portion will come. So you can go for through all and it will cut throughout. So we have this portion ready, right? Now the only thing is we need to create this portion. So basically you can select this face and go for the sketch, right? Select this face and go for the sketch and just zoom out a little bit. Press Ctrl 8 so it will flip the direction that we are seeing this sketch. And now we can create, before creating that we can just go for the center line and basically zoom out a little bit and select a center line or create a center line here and go for or create 2 concentric circles and dimension the circles. So that will be diameter 16 hole, and this will be diameter 40 hole, and we can create a line vertical here, and we can just create another line horizontal and just trim this portion. Select the trim command and just trim this portion here and just select, okay, click on the tick mark, select this point and you can just select sketch fillet and go for radius 12 here, double enter, and we have it there. Now we can basically do a mirror command. Select this. Before doing the mirror command, you can just trim out the remaining portions as well. So select the mirror command, trim command, and just trim whatever you don't need. So you can just select this as well. Select this, and this arc here, and go for mirror entities. Oops, that's not the way. Okay, they are selected now. Okay, we'll do that once again. 1, 2, and 3, and go for mirror entities. Oops, why is it happening so? Okay, we'll do one thing. Mirror entities will select. We'll click over here and we'll select 1, 2, and 3. Okay, now I get it. So we'll just remove this portion as well. So we'll just remove this portion as well. We'll go for mirror entities 1, 2, and 3, and we'll go for mirror about and select this axis and click on the tick mark, and we have almost the sketch complete. And I think we need to create another line from this point to this point to complete or to close the sketch. Now finally, exit the sketch here and go for extrude boss and base, reverse direction by clicking over here, and we can give a thickness of 12. Oops. You can just click on the edit feature and just give 12 here, double enter. We'll confirm that. So I think there is something that needs to be constrained. I think that's the length of this. So you can always click over here and go for the edit sketch, and by pressing Ctrl 8 you'll be able to view that sketch normal to your screen. So as you can see that there is something blue here. I forgot to check the sketch. So what you can basically do is select the smart dimension and select this and this, and dimension that to 50, and also you can select this line here and this, and go for collinear and click on the exit the sketch and just rotate the sketch or the model a little bit, and you'll be able to see that effect or the change of that sketch is already applied to the 3D model and it's ready to be viewed. So I hope you enjoyed this particular tutorial. If you have any doubt or if you have any suggestions or anything, you can comment below the video, and also you can write to me at katia.pro2user@gmail.com for any queries. Thank you so much and stay tuned.